Gala kukwasa obuyinza bwa district ye Mitooma bwa president
ebigambirwa abanyamitooma obe bari aha mukoro gw'okumusiibura omu butongore wanyuma y'okukora nabo emyaka 3 n'ekicweka kandi obwahati Kibuuka Francis Amoti bamutiire omu district ya Kakomero nka RDC okuza kuheereza ihanga.
But we want to thank you the RDC that for the time we have been together we have actually had no issues as an office. I want to thank you so much because you have been a parent. Actually, for the time we have been here, it will be free. We have a lot of freedom. Just telling him, I found out this, I'm not there. I just okay.
RDC Kibuuka Francis na warugire yasima abanyamitooma ahabwa enkwatanisa nungi.
Buzima mwebale kandi te Buganda buzima okusimba amaju tikibi buzima kandi mwena muze hansi. Nze nembala amawanga 72 gemaze okutambula mu nsi yonna okusinziira ne bwojja n'olaba visa zange. Neera bwe ngenza okutambula n'enjiga ensi yonna gyembadde China baaniriza, Brussels, Ubelgiji naliyo, Germany, Bufaransa, wa Bungereza. Mitooma munkiridde ensi zonna ze naakagenzeemu.
Ogwagarikire yashoborera RDC omusya Dr. Padde Kayondo omugiro mbijere bimwe ababizi b'Mitooma nka district ekine ebyamugizire ngo ayine kutamwa amaani.
Murder, domestic violence are still being experienced. Ekyo noza kukikoraho munonga kandi na timu yaitu. Nina challenge y'enguudo waliwo entindo bbiri ezogeza abantu obwama gezezaako tukole pulaani yaazo ne ssente ezimu eziri naye nga bagenda okulaba ssente tezimala naye oluusi kiva mu okwagala ekyandibadde ekintu kikolebwe waggulu alabe obutabi obunamugwire.
Dr. Padde Kayondo RDC omusya omu Mitooma kandi obire naruga omu district ya Karungu araganisa abanyamitooma okwarukuza kukwatanisa nabo bakakorera hamwe ahabwa oburungi bwa Mitooma.
Teamwork, no challenge you can fail to take on as long as you work as a team because you should each other. My weakness will disappear and I would keep drawing from someone's strength. Any other person has a weakness, my strength may be his shield. That's how office works.
Bamwe abanyakarungu abizire bashendekerize Dr. Padde Kayondo nabo bagambira ha Dr. Padde nk'omuntu mulungi orukunde byentunguka kandi orukurwanisa obulubwenguzi.
Kubanga abadde musajja mulungi era abantu b'Emitooma balonze ekyapa manya gaabwe. Omusajja ina teamwork tasosola fe mu Kalungu district tuyina mu district ekulemberwa okusinga bantu. Naye bonna babadde bakolagana mukola emirimu.
Korogu gushikirwa abembezi ba Mitooma abanyadini n'abantu ba butosha ahabwa Rukundo ya Kibuuka Francis Amoti yabagirire kandi gukorirwe aha Peak Hotel omu Mitooma. Gasha kwa Olivia Nasasira omu Mitooma ahabwa Tayari West.